Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Canadian Thanksgiving, give your customer something extra to be thankful for. A special Shopify discount. Sounds interesting, right? In this video, I will show you how to set it up step by step. Before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So, for setting this up, I have used Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out and follow along. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. And choose the discount type as discount code and add a discount code. I am adding Canadian 20 for now as my discount code, and I am setting a percentage of 20 and a capping amount of 200 for now. Now I can set whether this discount can be applied for all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. For now I'm adding it for all the products. Now I can set some minimum purchase requirement here if we want, or else if we can choose no minimum purchase requirement. And I can also set some customer eligibility, like it should be applicable for all customers or a customer has tag like that. For now I'm adding it for all the customers. And I can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Like if I'm adding it 100 means the 100 customers will be eligible for the discount to be available. And I can also set this limit to one use per customer, which means that only one time a customer can be used this discount code. And I can also set some start date or end date through which this code will be active or it's available. I can also set the code to be combined with existing product discount or a discount or a shipping discount. After entering all this, I can just save the changes. Now I'm checking whether my discount code is got activated. Now you can see that Canadian 20 is got activated from the discount section. Now we can check the setup in our online store. I'm adding a product of worth 5,000 into my cart, and I'm applying our discount code Canadian 20 here. Now you can see that the capping amount 200 is got deducted from the MRP. By using the capping amount as 200, even though the 20% of 5,000 is greater than 200, the capping amount ensures that the discount code is not exceeded from the 200. Now we can check with some other products. I'm checking with this 749 of worth product. Now I'm adding the discount code as Canadian 20 here. Now you can see that only 149 has got deducted. This way you can also set the setup like Canadian Thanksgiving setup in your store. So grab the app link from the description and let your customer enjoy the festive season this season. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.